friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sonam's World. Happy Diwali to all of you. Yes, I know it's a festive season and we all are so excited. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about cough congestion, wheezing in children, which is very common, and some home remedies that can really keep you away from getting the nebulization and going repetitively to the doctor, seeing a doctor, and from that hassle. So I had many things to share about nebulization, but I would not, because otherwise the video would really go very long. So I'll just quickly tell you the home remedies. I'll get into that. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, so first one is ginger milk. Yes, you might be thinking, what milk? Milk has to be avoided during that time. But yes, also doctor do advise us to avoid the milk. But the children, I'm not telling you that you give milk or feed milk during that time. What I want to say is, during that time when the child is suffering from cough congestion, wheezing and all, they stop eating. They don't like to eat at all because they feel that they're already full with that so much of cough inside them. So yeah, ginger milk can be really relieving. If your child wants to drink some milk, what you can do is add few drops of ginger juice to the milk and you can give the child. It has some antibacterial properties. It helps also to boost the immune system, so you can definitely give it a try, and before going to bed it can really do wonders. So now I'm coming to the second one. Second one is mustard oil massage. So what you can do is take some oil, mustard oil, and some ajwain. Add some ajwain, like half teaspoon or little lesser than that, and sorry, few garlic in that, and heat it. And once the oil is ready, also you can gently massage on the chest of the child, back of the I'm really sorry, the foot of the child, and then back massage. And I think I'll suggest that you do it before the child goes off to bed. Yeah, during night, and you can just give massage and put them to sleep, because it is more relieving. They get it gives them warmth. Yeah, and yes, even this trick works. Okay, so now coming to the third one. Third one is steam. Many of the doctors also advise us to give steam. So you can just steam, give steam of the normal water, or you can add few drops of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is generally very strong, so just few 2-3 drops will be fine, I think, for the baby. And trust me, no baby cooperates for taking steam, not at all. So what you can do is, when the child goes off to sleep, or if he or she is in your lap, so if someone else is holding it, so you can go at the back and give the steam, so that and 4 or 5 minutes for some time, and that can be done. Or if if you are alone at home and there's no one to hold the baby, so you can just when he or she is sleeping, just put it next to the door, next to the bed, on the bed next to the child, and cover the child and with a towel or anything, so that she or he gets the steam, the baby gets the steam, and that can be really effective. And also, if you have a smaller or cozy room, you can on that if you have a study room or a smaller room or anything, or a washroom, you can just plug in and just do your normal course, and the baby will keep getting, the child will keep getting steam. So it can be done like that, and trust me, it does a good job. And you can hear that when जो नाक खुलती है ना, जो वो सांस लेते हैं जोर से इतने अच्छे से, then you can realize that, oh, it is giving them, that effect is coming. Yes. So now coming to the fourth one, we take a thin cloth, few camphor, कपूर एंड कार्डमम, इलायची. सो हम एक कपड़े में वो कपूर एंड इलायची will put it, but break the kapoor into small pieces so that the aroma becomes more strong. So just tie it in that cloth and place it near the baby while she's sleeping, like near to the nose. Um, Near to the nose, yes, so that he or she gets the aroma. Yeah, and please hold it near the nose. So that's about it. It's just the idea is to get the smell so that they can get that aroma. And after like half an hour, you'll definitely sorry, after after some time you'll definitely hear that noise, जो नाक खोलने के एकदम से नाक खुलने की जो आवाज आती है, तो वो आपको जरूर सुनाई देगी. And so you will realize that अच्छा कुछ काम कर रहा है. So I think yes, this is also one of the very effective home remedy. So now coming to the end, I've also heard about Purana ghee, although I did not get it from my mother. It's she has some 100 years old, okay. So you can just ask your parents if they have some old ghee, Purana ghee. Jitna hota hai, it's good. When I was there, I used to use it, but I forgot to get it here. But I'm trying to get it as soon as possible. So you can just gently massage that, warm it little, and just massage similarly, like on chest, back, and on the foot. And I've heard and I've also experienced it's really relieving. And also please try to give warm liquids, warm water, so no direct cold water during that time. Yeah, I think that's it. And I think this all techniques home. So if you see, all these are external, nothing that the child is consuming or inhaling. So at least you can give it a try, because these are all simple home remedies and everything is there at our home. And there could be no, I think there could be no side effect, but you just be there, keep a check on the if your child is allergic to any of the product. I think only that is a precaution that you can take, and rest all is good. So just give it a try, and please do let me know if this video was useful. You could find any new technique that or any new remedy. Stay tuned. Please do subscribe to my channel. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, happy Diwali.